As the greatest Confucian of his time, Zhu Xi was naturally the chief tutor of the White Deer Grotto Academy, but all the same, he never missed the opportunity to invite other scholars. In the second year after the restoration of the Academy, Lu Jiuyuan, a famous scholar from Jiangxi province, came to visit Zhu Xi. Although they'd gone head-to-head in the Erhu debate years before, Zhu Xi still invited him to lecture. In early spring, Lu Jiuyuan began his teaching by illustrating the Analects of Confucius. Using many examples, he explained how and why a gentleman always pursues righteousness without thinking of the benefits. Vile characters, on the other hand, always put benefits first, but may in the end be harmed by these benefits. It was a performance that moved many to tears, including Zhu Xi himself.
当时呢说天气已经微凉了，可是呢他这个君子喻义，小人喻一利，说讲到每个人都当场的人都在这个反求诸己，都在反省，虽然天气很凉了，可是大家都面红耳赤，因为都觉得自己做的不够好，都有这个缺陷，离圣人的教诲都有差距，以至于呢感觉热的还要扇扇子。所以这个也是宋代这个知识分子他们之间交往的一个佳话，也堪为后人的这个楷模。学术思想可以有分歧，但是呢相互尊重，相互切磋，相互磨砺。
When the lecture ended, Zhu Xi asked Lu Jiuyuan to go boating on Luoxing Lake at the bottom of Mount Lu. On the peaceful lake and under the clear sky in early spring, Zhu Xi began to see Lu Jiuyuan as his bosom friend. Indeed, he couldn't help exclaiming, "The water and mountain have been there since the birth of the universe. But have there ever been any talents like us before?"
从有天地以来，这山水都在。还复有此家客否？有没有像我们两个这么有才华的人，这么杰出的人来过？
Not long after, Zhu Xi asked his disciples to write up Lu Jiuyuan's lecture and inscribe it onto a stone tablet. He also wrote a preface in person. Today, that stone tablet still stands in the White Deer Grotto Academy. Zhu Xi not only injected a brand new philosophy of education that combined openness, strictness, and free debate into the renewed White Deer Grotto Academy, but also managed to retain the Confucian essence within it. His achievement was to make academy education in the Southern Song dynasty a vital part of China's then system of higher education, one that encapsulated and promoted unique values.
所以，如果跟西方的教育历史比起来的话呢，如果把书院作为一个相当于大学这样的建制来看的话，那白鹿洞书院它本来就是叫做国学，国学就是国立大学，所以它的历史更早。中国教育史呢，应该说它的历史要比西方的那个历史要更早。你比如说，如果把这个太学看作国立大学的话，是吧？那我们在汉代就开始。